If you want to remove the avatar on Google Chrome, there are really two easy ways to do it depending on what you want. If you want the avatar gone completely, you can delete the entire Chrome profile. Or if you want to keep using the profile but just change the picture, you can swap it for a more generic icon. In this video, I'll show you both methods step by step so you can choose the one that works best for you. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Chrome tips and simple how-to guides. Let's start with the first option, which is deleting the entire profile. This is the best choice if you no longer use that Chrome account and you want to remove the avatar along with all the account data connected to it. Open Google Chrome first, then look at the top right corner of the browser window and click the profile avatar icon. This opens your Chrome profile menu. From there, click the gear icon to manage Chrome profiles. Now you'll see a list of saved profiles. Find the profile you want to remove, and on that profile card, click the three vertical dots in the corner. A menu will appear with a delete option. Click delete and then click delete again to confirm. Chrome will remove that profile completely. Just keep in mind that this also deletes everything saved in that profile, including bookmarks, browsing history, passwords, and other profile data. So only use this option if you're sure you don't need anything from that account anymore. Now let's look at the second option, which is changing the avatar to a generic icon. This is the better choice if you still want to use the browser profile, but you just don't like the current avatar picture. To do this, click the profile avatar icon in the top right corner again. Then click the pencil icon, which is used to customize the profile. You'll usually see this next to or above the profile name and picture. After that, scroll down until you see the Pick an Avatar section. Here, Chrome gives you a variety of choices. You can select a generic icon, a simple solid color, or an abstract shape if you want something more neutral and clean. Just click the one you want, and Chrome will update the profile avatar instantly. This is a great way to keep your profile organized while making the icon look more simple and professional. So to quickly recap, if you want the avatar completely removed, delete the entire Chrome profile. But if you want to keep the profile and only change the look, use the Customize Profile option and choose a generic avatar instead. Both methods are easy and you can do them in just a few clicks. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful Chrome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.